Welcome to part 4 of Kirby's Dream Collection. If we're ready, we're gonna resume in 3, 2, 1, go.
I got Kirby's Dream Land 3.
Oh, that sucks.
That means you started that means you started half the games, Costiler.
Yes.
Captain Stitch, can you please stop doing that? Stop. Oh. I'm dead. That's wonderful.
How did you even die?
Worst mini-boss in Kirby's Dream Land 2.
Fair. Alright, hopefully I can understand these descriptions about how to get the heart stars in that game.
Sorry.
I
apologize for anything you cannot understand.
Did you posted a guide, Equitab?
Yeah, I did.
Dude, just let me start. Alright.
This first attempt at DDD is going horrible.
What's Choo Choo?
It's the pink jelly thing.
Pink jelly. Okay.
Diagonal auto scrollers. What is this? 5-9 in Mario Bros 3?
There's a 5-9 in Mario Bros 3?
Yeah, it's one of the worst levels in the game. Right,
okay,
Gold?
Now I can start 6-1. What are we talking about?
5-9 in Mario Bros 3.
I think I already screwed up. I think.
Well, it's one that I do dislike. Yeah, with the fire chomps.
Remember when we raced the randomizer with
What?
me, and we got that as one of our first levels?
Dude, how do I get rid of the body? Dude, you already screwed me up. Why do I have a body?
Do not press A in Kirby's Dream Land 3 ever.
Oh. How do I get rid of him?
I don't know.
Dude.
3 hits left.
Oh wait, I know. Just reset, Firehead.
Perfect. Speedrunner's way out of everything. Not going well, just reset.
Alright, well, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to beat 6-1 without the secret switch and then go back and do it later.
Alright. Do
Yeah.
not press A. That's the key. Don't press A.
Yeah, Gold, you can get Hammer from the arena in World 5.
Yeah,
so-
oh yeah, I know that.
Hey, last hit.
In fact, I had to do that for the 5-6 secret switch.
I think that's the only actually no, that's a lie. I think
Okay,
World
and Dreamland is done.
Yay.
Only took me 4 videos.
Oh, are you kidding me? I pressed A again. Are you kidding?
I mean, technically it only took you like 3 videos in 3 minutes.
You know what's funny is that was my first attempt in this video.
Well, you still did it. I'm proud of you. Have fun in Dreamland 2.
Now, every single one of us has beaten 1 game out of 6.
No.
Costiler hasn't.
But I've done
Okay,
progress on 2 games.
Okay, alright. 3 of us have beaten 1 game.
6 of us?
3 of us.
Okay. I am going to just use Equitad's guide instead of trying to navigate Costiler's guides.
Dude, am I gonna get the... Am I close to the tulip? I've gone through like 3 screens.
Okay, the first
tulips
one-
are the tulips are at like the end of the level.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is in 1-3. Okay.
Yeah, you can get Parasol in 1-2. which is what I'd advise you.
There's a
Hey, 6-1 with the hammer.
Oh.
The hammer. Last time I was trying it with a stone and I lost it.
Ow.
So
Okay, I can already say I'm liking Kirby Dream Land 2 better
Alright,
than
I made
1.
it. Can you give me the heart, please? Or you know, do I have to do something else? Like, I already passed... Like, this is the third
does it-
tulip.
What do the stars do in Dreamland 2?
If you get enough of them, you get a 1-up.
Oh, so it's like the 100 coins for, Mario. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wait, did I pass the... Is this... Is the star the heart star that I need to get?
I don't know, Costiler, is it?
Are you at the end of the level?
I just got invincibility candy and there was a star right next to it. Is that a
Oh,
piece?
then that's... Nah, you'll know it when you see it, because, like, after you go through the final door, if you do the thing, the NPC will give you a heart star. Do not jump over the heart star. I learned that the hard way.
Oh, that's 1-1 done, I
Alright,
think.
did I do it correctly? Yay, 1!
Oh, they don't do the... Okay, level 1 is done.
Oh, Costiler, just for the record, are you save stating when you exit one game and go to another so you can get back to your place?
Yes. Alright. Alright, how do I get Choo Choo on the second level?
She's in a door somewhere.
That is so descriptive.
Side chamber, room 2, okay. I can be fast with this, even though I've never played this game
that's a
before.
boss.
Like, I've played my
That's-
Kirby's.
Oh wait, abilities exist in this game. I haven't been absorbing enemies.
Alright, on that side
Okay,
chamber.
6-1 done, this time with the secret switch.
Oh, that's bad.
Oh,
Was I
oops.
supposed to keep,
Unless it was Parasol, no, you were not supposed to keep.
That's
well,
weird.
it was the mini boss in 1-2.
Dude,
Uh,
dude, I need to stop pressing A.
I have parasol now. Never mind, I'm good.
Alright, 6-2. Let's try that with the hammer.
And
want-
you know what?
Oh, alright. Alright.
Ah, this
I
is the
want
side
out.
chamber.
I want out of the wind's jurisdiction. This one?
Like this? Dude, I don't get it. Like this. Oh,
1-2.
like
done.
this. No? I did not want you here. Like this.
Okay.
Just press A.
Just
No,
press
don't press A.
Okay, directly in
I
passive
forgot where you were.
level.
Grassland
Don't press
2.
A. Just attack. Just attack the green thing if you see it.
How do I attack it though?
Why, I think?
I am inhaling and it's doing nothing.
When you say
Oh, you don't-
directly in
don't
passive
have
level, what do you?
Oh, you don't have Choo Choo though, do you?
Oh, where do I get
I
Choo
just-
Choo again? Like who has Choo Choo?
I think it's from a door earlier in the level, but you can
okay.
you can restart the level at any time. I think.
Why is jumping so finicky?
Oh. Now I see what Choo Choo is.
Oh. I hope entering the door doesn't prevent me from. I mean, I missed the. No, it says directly in the path. I shouldn't have missed it yet. Never mind.
You'll know exactly when you see it. It looks substantially different from every other room in the levels.
Also, how do I get rid of the items that I get?
Select, I think.
Select?
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
Ah, there you go. Alright.
Oh, that actually looks cool. Okay. I like that.
How do I mount this? Do I have to mount? Ah, no, there you go.
Yeah, I think you can just run. I think you can just run into it.
Oh, I did get Parasol back. Huh. I got my first rainbow drop, by the way.
Good
Nice.
Where the hell am I going?
I don't know, where are you going?
The wrong way, apparently.
Alright, so boy,
Alright, like this.
I'm
I
going to
gotta,
warn you
I
all
gotta go
now.
back and
Alright, I think
gotta-
that's...
I'm going to warn you all now. I'm a smartass, so...
I mean, I'm not much better in that regard.
Nope, that's the wheel. Can't use
Okay, on to one boss. Where's this in Dreamland? What the fuck is this Wispy?
No, that's Fred.
Okay,
No.
alright, I don't think I have to do the thing again, so let's just run it.
Alright, I go.
Where the heck?
There was a Wispy under it.
It's like a Scooby-Doo. It's like a Scooby-Doo villain version of Wispy.
Also, done with World 1.
Good job. Also, pro tip: you're gonna have to backtrack for Needle and 2-2, or you're gonna have to
Okay.
do 2-2 twice to get Needle.
Okay, what level is Needle in?
Also 2-2.
You just can't. It's past
Yeah,
the
you
point
just
of
can't.
No.
Yeah, it's past the point of
No return?
pretty much. I would like a
Two.
power up.
By the way, I feel like it's broken that you can just take take partners into bosses.
I mean, it's convenient at least.
Yeah.
Cliff.
Also, I'm just gonna try the fact that I'm already. I mean, I guess it helps that I'm now a little more familiar with the game, but I'm not struggling with this as much as I was with Dreamland 1 right now. Subject to change. I am still only on roll 2. Oh, I got a
Alright.
flying partner now.
All right, I forgot. Krakow sucks in this. Krakow sucks in this game.
I'm just glad, by the way, I finished game 1 before you guys finished before you or Gold finished game 2.
Yeah, that's nice. Alright. Is this the guessing minigame? Alright.
What? Did I enter 2-2 when I wasn't looking, or am I still in 2-1? I don't remember.
This one.
Oh, it is over.
Wait,
Huh?
Dude, this game is dumb. Like, why on earth is it like, oh, you failed this once, you have to reset the stage? Lame.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, don't forget you can. Wait, did I mention you can save state before minigames?
Nope.
Oh.
No.
Well, now you know you can save state before minigames. Sorry, I'm telling this to you now.
Yeah, you told me. I knew.
I forgot the exact moment at which I told you. I think it was last night.
Yeah, it might have been. Okay.
Okay.
6-2. 6-2 is done now.
Okay, at least I can get another life. So that's nice.
And he said once I get needle, I have to replay 1, 2.
Alright, let's see.
Or 2-2,
2,
yeah.
2, not.
Yeah, what you're looking for is directly below you.
This one.
Well, I'm still doing my initial run through of 1,
Okay.
2.
This one.
All right. 6-3. Here we go.
Krako, why are
Isn't
you
it-
so tanky?
At what point in 1, 2 is needle?
Oh, dear,
It's
that one
directly
was.
It's directly below you when you start.
Dude, what am I doing?
Oh, the needle.
I think it was
mean,
the same one?
Oh, it's in
Yeah.
the second room.
I missed it then. I'm gonna.
Okay,
play
there we go. I
2,
got all
2
three right. Now I can just keep going.
Damn, don't make me reset, Krako. Okay, finally, Krako with 1 health left.
Bro, I keep pressing A.
He said needles in the second room.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to play 2, 2 twice. So I'd rather have to play a level twice due to missing something than to game over in 500 times.
Yeah.
Right.
Also, sorry to you all. I'm not going to get to my 4th game before tonight's over because I just started the last world of Dreamland 2.
I'm gonna get. Oh, you might get to game 3 then.
Well, I'm gonna get to game 3 depending on how well I
Alright,
do against Dark Matter.
room 3 stone.
Oh.
Right, got it.
Okay, I got needle.
Right, I need stone. Thank you.
And then I immediately lost it. Oh, can I exit level?
Is this your first playthrough?
No.
Oh, you can exit if you can exit if it's not your first playthrough.
That means I can exit with needle then, since I forgot it and don't have to replay it through it completely.
Yep.
Do I have to replay through it completely with the rainbow drop collected?
Dude, get up.
No, you can exit once you collect the rainbow drop.
Okay, so collect the needle, leave,
No, there's no bridge here. This one.
I'm down to my
That's
last hit.
It's fine. Alright, this is room 3, I believe. I can break a bridge now.
I died.
Oh, oops.
Dude, how do
Is
I
that your first death in Dreamland 2?
Yes. It is going a lot better than Dreamland 1.
Right, looking for a bridge. Here's the bridge, I think. Yeah, this is it. Alright.
Give me a partner, please.
I did not.
You'll do.
Granted, not that that's that hard considering how bad Dreamland 1 went.
Yeah, Dreamland 2 starts out really fast, but it slows way the hell down towards the end.
Okay. The rainbow drop of 2-2 collected. Now I just gotta play through 2-3.
Dude.
Is there a way to let abilities go without taking a hit?
Select.
Right, monkey.
That wasn't even an ability. Damn. That was a waste of time.
I feel like I'm going to get hit by every Kaboo ever from now on.
Probably. I want Parasol back, thank you.
Also, I'll give you a hint once you. Also, I'll help you out once you get to the rainbow drop in World 4, because that one's also kind of annoying.
I'm at Pyramid Dude.
Ow. That was almost like a task.
Almost only
Okay,
counts.
6-3 is done.
Costiler.
On to 6-4.
Maybe.
Don't be passing out, Costiler.
Alright, 4.
I died to Pyramid Guy.
And 1 up, nice.
Oh, that's bad. I
Minus
don't have.
something.
I don't have my ability.
Alright, I have to find a fish. I keep pressing. Hey, I think
Well, actually does more.
I think I pressed A already like 6 times.
That actually does more damage. Interesting.
Yeah, I don't mind my
Okay.
screen. This is just someone's skill issuing through a game that I've never played.
Dreamland 3 is rough your first time.
I feel like all the Dreamland games are rough your first time.
So Kine is the fish, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Right.
he's in the level.
Yeah, I got him.
You motherfucker.
This guy's moving really slow though.
Yeah, Kine's land speed is.
Leaves much to be desired.
Yeah, leaves a lot to be desired.
Dude, ow. Oh, well, wait, I have it solved. Just keep jumping, 5-head.
Oh, I'm about to go into 2 boss.
That boss kind of sucks. Then again, I'm not exactly the biggest fan of Dreamland 2, if you couldn't tell.
You're talking to the guy who has died
Wow,
at
that's
least
short.
once on every boss, basically.
Alright, 5. Alright, here's your husband.
Oh, it's like Planny Loco.
Alright, 6. Hollow setup.
Yeah, pretty much.
I do not understand
Alright.
attack patterns.
Come on, I gotta try to get out of World 1 at least.
Yeah, Zach, you gotta spit the little guys back at him.
Oh, I had an ability I was using,
Oh, okay.
and then I lost it.
This one.
Alright, beat 6-4.
Alright.
Alright,
I
6-5.
died.
Here we go.
I died to its minion. Time check?
Time checks. A little over 6 minutes left.
6 minutes. Got it.
Dude, where are the... Oh, wait, no. I'm seeing the shapes now. Alright, let's go and get them. Do I need to grab the shapes in a specific order?
No. You
Alright.
can just. Yeah, you can just grab them in whatever order you want.
Alright. Alright. The
Oh, dang,
Triforce?
World 7 in Dreamland. World 7 in Dreamland 2 is going surprisingly smoothly right now.
Don't say that, that's famous last words. I say that as I'm now on life 0 against boss 2.
Well,
I cannot
My-
wait to get to Super and not be struggling half as much.
well, my words are.
Wait,
I
how?
ate my words.
Wait, how do I break the block down? With a slide or with
Break it
a?
You break it by breaking it down, Costiler.
But how do I break it down?
Is it a
Break
star
it by
block?
breaking it down.
Yes, it's a star block.
Try inhaling it.
Alright, let's try inhalation.
Bad idea. Bad
Alright,
idea.
alright, yeah, the inhalation
Getting
worked.
squished.
I died. I game over.
You know what I love?
What?
I love fast-moving auto-scroller mazes.
I mean,
Sorry, that's
at
sarcastic.
least they're fast.
Also, what is the? Oh, you created the document in release order.
Yeah, it is in release order.
Nope.
Why did I enter? Why do I keep
dead.
entering rooms that I
I
don't
am
need to
dead.
enter?
No, I might go grab Parasol and. I'm gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna go grab Parasol.
Dude, how much of this level is left?
A lot.
Which way is it? Is it down? Please tell me it's down.
It's not
Hooray.
down.
It's left right.
Oh, hi, Captain Stitch.
Dude, I don't get how to use fire. Sometimes it actually gives me a good burst, but other times it just doesn't.
I don't think.
Ah, there
that's
you go.
the
Thank you
one
for
block.
the end of the level. That's 6.
I did not enter a good level to get Parasol.
Hey, Wispy. Nice. I know how to fight this, bro.
Oh, are you actually gonna finish World 1?
Yeah, maybe, if I don't skill issue. Ah.
No, we've all. You want skill issue. You're Costiler. Oh, wait.
Oh, what? The tree moves now?
This might actually work.
Yep, the tree moved now. It's
That
basically
might
like
actually
it's
work.
basically like Rise of Skywalker, but instead of they fly now, it's they move now.
Bro, I keep throwing the. Oh, you're. Alright, there you go. At least I beat
No, I
one.
don't want to enter G1.
Alright, okay, at least I beat one world.
Where's Needle?
This attack might actually work better. You mother.
I feel like this race is bringing out all of our internalized rage.
Not mine.
It's
don't
just
have-
making. Now all I'm doing is just questioning how much more I can skill issue.
No! No, I died.
Ripple Field and Kirby got eaten by a fish. The end.
I'm just going to say this, Equitad. You have not
Yeah.
seen Rage until you see me going for full excellence on Kingdom Hearts Melody of Memory.
Oh boy, that does not sound fun.
Okay, so
Joystick with the added bonus of joystick drift.
Ah, that's even worse.
oof.
Oh yeah, by the way, we've got 20 seconds left.
All right,
Which will be
I-
just enough time to finish 6-5.
fly, fly, fly. Ow.
And 6-5 done.
Alright.
I am gonna be
Alright, so
having
which one of these
terrifying-
ones is Peach? Is the cat?
It's
I'm,
the bird.
Ah, the bird. Okay.
I'm gonna be. I'm gonna
Okay,
be
time's up.
Okay.
Okay. I just entered the door. Hold on.
All right. Everyone paused.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Yes. There we go. Let's start going to pause.
All right. Thank you for tuning into part 4. Zach, congratulations on beating Dreamland 1. See you next time for part 5. Later, everyone.
Yes.
And then everyone died.